Please join us in this community discussion about all things. Hey, sorry. Here, turn that off for just a second. Hey, you've caught us in the studio, and we're doing a little prep work on a new segment for the Doc Eason YouTube video. And I'm very excited about this. This is a segment, there's a couple of episodes coming down the pike that are filmed at and are based around the Magic Castle in Hollywood, California, right there in the center of it all. It's perched on a hill high above the Hollywood Hills, overlooking all of Hollywood. The building itself was built 110 years ago, but for the last 50 years, the Academy of Magical Arts is based right there. It's a grand place. I wish you could all see it. And maybe little glimpses of it through here, you'll be able to get sort of the feel for it. There are a number of rooms, performing rooms within the castle. There's a small room with 25 to 27 people, close-up magic gallery they call it. There's a bigger room that's a parlor, has a very steep rake, 50 people in it, maximum. And then there's the big room, 125, where you see the big stuff. Some of the best magicians in the world perform there at the castle on a regular basis. Every week the talent changes, so there's always somebody new and different in there. There's also little nooks and crannies, including the W.C. Fields Magic Bar, that I was instrumental in pulling it together with all my years of bar experience. I'm very excited about some of these things. You never know who's going to be at the castle. There could be movie stars, could be any number of people there. And we've captured some of that on film, and we're going to share that with you in some upcoming segments. So you don't want to miss a minute of this. Please hit the subscribe button right up there, and all that means is you're going to get a little email when we put something new up on the YouTube channel. If you're interested in finding out a little bit more about the Magic Castle, please check out www.magiccastle.com. It'll give you a little tour of the place, the rules and regulations. It'll give you a lot more insight into what's going on there than I can afford to give you right now. But it's a fabulous place. I'm lucky enough to be invited back there several times a year to perform. You can check back here on this YouTube channel. My schedule will be popping up now and then. We'd love to see you out there, and I'd love to have you experience this very special and memorable place in Hollywood, California. I sure appreciate you checking in on us. We'll look for you further down the road. Thanks so much.